Hi, welcome to Rachna's Artistry. Today I will be working on fridge magnet which I have base coated with black paint. Unlike my other videos, I won't be drawing grid here. Rather, I will be drawing semicircles. So place the compass on the edge of the magnet and draw the semicircles. So this is the first semicircle. And this is the second semicircle and so on. Now let's go through the colors that I'll be using today. So I'll be using Prussian blue, sky blue, white, pink and orange. So first I will place a big white dot in the center. I'm using a dowel to place the huge dot in the center. And then using a brush, I'm spreading the paint. Now to even out the dot, you can use the dowel and just dab it a few times over the dot. Next, I will place sky blue dot around the circle using yellow dotting tool. Then I'll be using a slightly bigger dotting tool to place the dark blue dots. Now using the white tool, place pink dots in the next circle. You need to place the dots very carefully as they are quite tiny dots. Next, use the same tool and place white dots in the next circle in such a way as if making 3 points of a triangle. So 1, 2 and 3. So our next 2 rounds are completed here. Now place white tiny dot between 2 white dots of the last circle using the pink dotting tool. Now using the dowel, place pink dot in the next circle. Using the next bigger dowel, place dark blue dots in the next circle. Now I am using the third bigger dowel and placing sky blue dots between the two dark blue dots that I just placed. Next, between the two sky blue dots, place orange dot using the same tool. Next comes the white dots using slightly bigger dowel. Now I will place pink dots using the fine side of the pink dotting tool between the orange and the white dots. Then using the same pink tool, I am placing orange dots in the next circle. Then place sky blue dots in the next circle. Please note, I will be using the same tool for some time now. Next comes the turn of dark blue dots. Next circle has the white dots. Since the dots are really tiny, you need to work very slowly and place the dot with precision. Next, I'm placing pink dots. I'm using the orange color in the next circle. If you like my video, give a thumbs up and do not miss to share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Next, I'm changing the dotting tool to blue one and and placing sky blue dots. And now the last circle has the white dots. Hope you liked the video. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.